Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. I'll share this video's command to my experts. Without wasting a single minute, for latest update, hit the bell icon. Let's begin to our today's topic. Let's begin.
Right now, if you want to write software faster, you probably pay a monthly fee to drop your code into an integrated AI ecosystem. Anthropic's Claude Code has set the baseline for this experience. You type a prompt, and it handles the rest in a highly polished, zero-friction environment. It just works. But that convenience comes with a catch. You are operating inside a proprietary walled garden. Your toolset, your project memory, and the underlying model routing are tightly locked inside a system you do not own. Now, there is a direct alternative. DeepSeek just dropped version 0.1 of DeepSeek Harness. It is an agent runtime environment, and they released it entirely free and open source under an MIT license. You might see this hyped online as free Claude Code, but that label misses the mark. Adopting a free open source framework always introduces a hidden tax in the form of heavy configuration and ongoing maintenance. This release forces a very specific decision. You have to choose whether you want to pay a premium for absolute convenience or spend your own time to get total control over your architecture. This animated diagram breaks down the core difference. Claude Code is a rigid, integrated package. DeepSeek Harness operates on a completely different philosophy. Everything is a plugin. That modularity is powered by an underlying service dependency metaframework called Cortis. Cortis ensures there is no locked or protected center. You can hot swap any layer of the runtime purely through configuration without ever touching the actual source code. That means the user interface, the tool registry, the testing sandboxes, and even the core agent loop itself are all treated as replaceable parts. By tearing down the walls of the ecosystem, DeepSeek takes the power of infrastructure ownership away from the platform vendor and hands it directly to you, the local developer. Looking at this comparison matrix, the first major difference sits right in the top row, model choice. This is where we weigh model agnosticism against integrated optimization. Claude Code restricts you exclusively to Anthropic's proprietary models. You use what they build. DeepSeek Harness comes with built-in connections to OpenAI, AWS Bedrock, local endpoints, or their own flagship DeepSeek V4 Pro model via API. The upside here is model sovereignty. You gain the ability to route simple, repetitive tasks to a cheap local model and reserve the heavy, complex problem-solving for the most powerful API. The downside is that you lose Claude's deeply optimized system prompts. Now you manage multiple API keys, monitor strict rate limits, and ensure models respond correctly. You are choosing to sacrifice immediate, out-of-the-box performance in exchange for long-term independence from any single AI provider. The matrix highlights our second trade-off, the pain of initial setup versus the power of runtime flexibility. Because of the Cortis framework we mentioned earlier, Harness allows for live reconfiguration right in the middle of a session. If your agent gets stuck, you can dynamically swap out a testing sandbox or add a new tool to the registry while running. The system won't crash, and you don't have to initiate a manual restart. But that dynamic mid-session power requires an intense amount of friction just to get the system off the ground. This isn't a simple one-click install. You have to pull the runtime from a Node.js registry and manually configure it using specific presets, like minimal for basic shell access, code for orchestration, or creator for building custom plugins. You get unmatched flexibility while the agent is running, but only after you pay a heavy upfront tax and configuration time. The final row on our matrix covers session visibility and how you handle debugging. Claude Code operates as a black box. When it makes an error, it attempts to quietly autocorrect behind the scenes, keeping you insulated from the internal logic loops. DeepSeek Harness takes the exact opposite approach. It logs every single system prompt, reasoning path, and tool call into an append-only event stream. This total visibility means that when an agent fails, you can pause the run, review the exact trajectory, and fork or replay the execution from the precise moment things went wrong. The downside is that you have to look at it. You are completely exposed to the messy, repetitive, and often frustrating reality of how an AI model attempts to solve logic errors. Utilizing this event stream changes your role. You stop being a passive consumer of a coding tool and become an active auditor of the AI's internal logic. When you step back from the technical features, the business strategy behind this release becomes clear. DeepSeek is giving away a highly capable modular framework for free because they are intentionally trying to commoditize the entire agent runtime layer. By making the software environment completely free and swappable, they force the monetization of AI out of the ecosystem layer and push it all the way down to the raw API calls. This strategy moves the competition between DeepSeek and Anthropic beyond simple code generation. It is a direct assault on the traditional model of software distribution. This chart breaks down your decision: effort versus control. The ecosystem loyalist values immediate working code. Stick with Claude Code. The premium justifies zero setup friction. The sovereign developer prioritizes privacy and local routing. Adopt DeepSeek Harness for absolute control, accepting the maintenance burden. The real cost of an AI coding agent has moved from a monthly subscription fee to the amount of infrastructure maintenance you are willing to manage yourself. Right now, the most powerful AI coding agents on the market operate inside lockdown environments. Platforms like Claude Code are built to keep your data and your workflow inside their proprietary infrastructure. DeepSeek is offering a different path with the DeepSeek Harness, an open-source framework released alongside their agent-focused V4 Pro model. The framework is built on a simple rule: everything is a plugin. It has no protected core. Instead, the entire runtime divides into swappable layers. Utilizing the Cortis math framework, you can swap these layers dynamically mid-session. You can replace the tool registry, the sandbox, or the agent loop itself without requiring a system restart. In the next 5 minutes, we are going to take this architecture and deploy a fully functioning agent runtime directly onto your local machine. To begin, your host environment needs Node.js installed to handle the runtime logic. Open your terminal and check your versions by typing node-v and npm-v to confirm the environment is ready. If your terminal returns an error, you will need to install Node.js from the official website before proceeding with the deployment. Once the environment is verified, use this exact command to launch the runtime: npx@deepseekai/dsh-web. This command downloads the necessary packages and initializes the service dependency backend that powers the agent. Once the process begins, do not close this terminal window. This terminal window is now the active engine for your agent. As long as it remains open, you can access the front-end interface in your browser. Open a web browser and navigate to your local server at localhost port 3080. This dashboard is where you will configure and monitor your agent. If the page loads, your local server is communicating correctly with the runtime. While DeepSeek develops the framework, it is model agnostic, meaning you aren't forced to use their specific API. The model provider drop-down catalog includes built-in support for OpenAI, Anthropic, AWS, or local endpoints. Next, select from 4 pre-configured runtime modes defining the agent's capabilities. Standard mode provides a balanced setup, giving the agent a bash shell, file editor, and web search. The code mode is optimized, generating TypeScript to drive tools. Minimal mode provides a basic shell, and creator mode is designed specifically for building custom plugins. For your first deployment, select the standard mode to finalize the configuration. By combining a flexible provider with a modular runtime, you have built an AI orchestrator that operates entirely on your own terms. Your self-hosted AI environment is now fully operational and ready for task execution. To monitor the agent's performance, the framework provides traceable session logs that map out every decision the model makes. Every system prompt, reasoning path, and tool call is captured in this append-only event stream. You can pause the agent, rewind to a previous state, or fork a run to see how a different model would handle the situation. Rather than relying on a proprietary cloud where logic is hidden, you are inspecting the agent's trajectory step by step. You can now use the creator mode to experiment with building your own scheduling plugins or custom interfaces. For complete privacy, you can pair this harness with a locally hosted model endpoint, allowing for complex agent operations without an internet connection. The DeepSeek Harness shifts the control of agent ecosystems away from centralized providers, putting the infrastructure back in your hands.